Hello and welcome to the final sequel of our career planning session, where so far we have talked about career versus job, self-assessment to discover your passion, and all the external factors that shape your career. Now we move to the last 4 steps in this journey, completing which you will have a clearer picture of your dream career and the way ahead. Step 7. Choosing the right mentor. Do you have one? Oprah Winfrey, the famous American billionaire media executive, once said, "A mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside you." So, how does mentoring help you? Or why do you need a mentor in this journey of career planning? A mentor is one who holds your hand and takes you through the road of personal and professional development. Usually, an experienced person, the mentor guides you to improve your skills as you advance in your career. A recent survey by Olivet Nazarene University, Illinois, reflects that 76% of people think mentors are important. However, only 37% of people currently have one. Undoubtedly, mentors serve as role models whom you can look up to. Try choosing a mentor, preferably from your opted industry type, so that you get better inspiration from his or her life journey. Mentors are people who have been there and who have done what you are aiming to do. Thus, they are storehouses of knowledge and experience from whom you can learn, share, and take profound guidance. They may be people close to you or a chosen social celebrity. A study of their life path will give you rich insights into the challenges faced by them in building a career in a chosen field, the career growth opportunities, and the unseen obstacles. While it is good to idolize your mentor, his ways of approaching a problem, facing challenges, attitude, and problem-solving techniques never mimic the person or try copy him. Maintain your self-identity and celebrate your uniqueness throughout. However, when choosing a mentor, be mindful of the character that you are looking up to as a role model. While it is good to be ambitious with a go-getter attitude, it is more important to be a good human being, one that is kind with a high humanity quotient. Often in this man eats man world, people fall in for unethical practices to race in the competition and climb on the ladder of success. Refrain from choosing a mentor who has ever adopted such practices. Choose a mentor whose values you can follow and appreciate first, while sharing knowledge, technical know-how, and experiences all come later. Strive to be a good human and role model yourself before aspiring to be anything else. As they say, being good suggests you are halfway there. Step number 8. Analyze your present situation. It is said that the decision you make today will not just affect your tomorrow, but will determine your future. Indeed, analyzing your present situation creates the launchpad for a smooth takeoff tomorrow. Your present is evolving fast, and knowing how to keep pace with it shall help you to shape a better future. For instance, the world is undergoing the hardship of a pandemic like COVID-19. Business in general is slow, and recession is perhaps the next major challenge that the world will face. Is your chosen career industry strong enough to face the blow? Are you preparing yourself to face these challenges of the future? No matter how far your career may seem to you now, remember all these changes that the world is going through shall have a lasting impact on the economy in general and your career in personal. Therefore, it is important to analyze your present situation, your plans, skill sets, and alternate plans to back up your plan A. Another major factor that influences your present situation is the kind of people who surround you. Are your friends, family, and colleagues supportive of your dreams and plans of the future? Do they push you towards your goal or pull you down with their critical opinions? Scrutinize the kind of people who make up your immediate surroundings. Choose positive, uplifting people who are happy to contribute to your success. Maintain distance from toxic and negative elements that can nip the bud of your dreams in the developing stage. Step 9. Strategize your plan. You have come this far assessing your strengths, weaknesses, and the external environment. You have also discovered your passion to build a dream career. What's next? Well, the most important step of this journey, create an action plan. Yes, what are the steps that you need to take to put your career plan into action? The answer to this depends upon your present standing. If you are a graduate straight out of college, there is lots you can do in terms of acquiring a higher degree, taking up a vocational course suited for your industry, or some specific technical course. If you are in your mid-career stage and aim at revamping your career, analyze your already acquired skill sets. What skills can equip your career growth, and what part-time or professional courses can add value to your resume? Ask yourself, are there any openings for your dream career in your present organization, or do you need to switch jobs and find a better place? Once you answer these questions, your action plan will have greater clarity and give you the required confidence to move ahead in this journey. Step 10. Be an opportunist. Winston Churchill has wisely quoted, "A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty." So, in which category do you belong? Do you see the glass half full or half empty? Do not be carried away by the miseries and hardships of life. Remember, every difficulty has a hidden opportunity, an opportunity to excel and shine even brighter. Besides this, be open to opportunities. It may come to you in different ways, often in the most unforeseen situation and circumstances. Be smart enough to grab them, for they come very rarely. If you miss an opportunity, you may have to wait for long and regret the lost chance. So, be alert. Instead of dwelling in the past or complaining about what you don't have, focus on what you have and how you can make the best use of it. The more you grab opportunities, the better your chances of showcasing your talents and excelling in your career. Hope having traveled these 10 steps of career planning with me has made you confident and ready to build your dream career. Remember, these are just the fundamentals that I have shared with you. Every career planning journey is unique to an individual. This is where a life coach is significant, who holds your hand and takes you through this journey, assuring you a bright future. This episode winds up our career planning series. In our next series, we will look into the many aspects of unemployment, why does it exist, and how to overcome it. Till we meet again, this is Nan Sammy, your life coach and friend in this journey, signing off for now. Stay happy, stay positive. If you find this video useful, remember the drill: like, share, subscribe and click on the bell button to get all notifications of our new videos.